This thing's cool. I mean, it's so stable. It's pretty rad.
Hi, I'm Didrik from FlowMotion. It's hard to capture smooth video using your smartphone. We've all been there. The camera is so good that you can make a Hollywood movie with this thing. But your phone is almost impossible to hold steady. And that's why we have developed FlowMotion One, the world's most versatile smartphone stabilizer. Developed by engineers and athletes, but made for everyone. One keeps your phone steady even when you're not, and enables you to capture smooth cinematic videos with your smartphone. One is compact. You can take off the grip, fold it together and fit it in your pocket. And one works even without the grip, allowing you to attach it to any camera and GoPro mount. With the power of your smartphone, One becomes a lot more than just a stabilizer. In the FlowMotion app, we built in advanced tracking technology so it automatically follows any object, a person, or even yourself. Create stunning motion time-lapses, create amazing panorama photos, live stream your moments directly to Facebook or YouTube, or even make cinematic Snapchat and Instagram stories. One is super easy to use. Just slide in your phone and with one click, you're ready to go. We've gathered an amazing team of business developers, engineers, and athletes. We've iterated and tested over and over again, and have finally come up with something we can be truly proud of. Our mission is to help people tell better stories and make professional videography available for everyone, anywhere, at any time. So back us today and help us put an end to shaky videos.